Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to deposit funds into the KuCoin app. First, open the KuCoin app and navigate to your main assets page. You'll find the deposit option clearly visible there. It's crucial to select the correct cryptocurrency you wish to deposit, as well as the appropriate network. This ensures your funds arrive safely and without delay. Let's get started. Once you've tapped Deposit, a search bar will appear. Type in the name of the cryptocurrency you want to deposit, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. After selecting your asset, you'll see a list of available networks. This step is vital. Always double-check that the network you choose on KuCoin matches the network your sending wallet or exchange is using. Mismatched networks can lead to permanent fund loss. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide useful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. Quick recommendation, just like you want your crypto transactions to be secure, you want your feet to be comfortable. Life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. After confirming your asset and network, KuCoin will display your unique deposit address. This is like your bank account number for crypto. Copy this address precisely. For certain cryptocurrencies, such as XRP or XLM, you'll also need a memo or tag. Make sure to include both the address and the memo when sending your funds, if required. Now, switch to your external wallet or exchange where your funds are currently held. Paste the KuCoin deposit address you just copied into the recipient field. If a memo was provided, paste that too. Always take a moment to review all the transaction details, including the amount and network, before hitting send. Your funds should appear in your KuCoin account shortly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.